Hi, this is Afnan, and in this video I will tell you how to place an order on heritagejewels.com.pk. First of all, you will need to select the product of your choice. Let's say I'm selecting this product. Go to the product page by clicking on the product and press this add to cart button. If you're using on mobile or desktop, you will see a button here, add to cart. You click on that button. The product has been added to your cart. You can click on view cart, or you can go from here. You can see there is a product in our cart. Now go to view cart page. If you want to add some more product to the cart, so you can continue shopping from here. Otherwise, go to proceed to checkout. As soon as you will click on the checkout button, it will ask you to join your site. You can give your information here in these text boxes and then place your order, or you may log in with Facebook account, which is very easy. On the Facebook account page, you will provide your email address or password. Alright, yes, I am logged in to my Facebook account and then to the heritage. Now all the details has been fetched from the Facebook account. But if you want to order place your order for the different location, you can check this ship to a different address and you will provide all the details here. As I'm selecting Australia here, I'm a resident of Pakistan, but I'm selecting Australia, so it will charge me the flat rate for Australia that has been added by the website. Now you will need to select the payment option. If you want to pay through your Visa card or MasterCard, you can click on Easy Pay. Now as soon as you will click place order button, it will redirect you to the secure Easy Pay server that will ask you to pay through your options, which are mobile account, Easy Pay shop, or you may pay from your Visa or Master debit or credit cards. You click on the Visa card option, so you will have a page where it will ask you to provide your card number, your expiry or CVV, and XYZ, the information that is necessary for the payment. Must double check the amount that you are paying to Heritage Jewels. So this is how you may place your order on heritagejewels.com.pk. Thank you.